Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain how to install and log into all the Google apps or Google Classroom for this online education. So first of all, we need to install few apps. Those are very important. The first thing you do is, if you have already logged into any Gmail account, just sign out. Okay, now go to App Store and click Google Drive. So this is the first important app we are going to download. Okay, after downloading, just open it. So you will find in this way, and it will ask you to install Google Device Policy. So you can go back to App Store and click Google Device Policy and download. Yes, now Google Device Policy has been installed. Just swipe up for next pages. It will be asking you for all the permissions and security reasons, so we should accept all this. Click on continue, click on allow, get started. As usual, we are using our official mail id, so the bottom one is my official mail id, and click accept. Click install profile. It will ask you to install the profile. Click on this down arrow mark. Now it will ask you to click on profile downloaded option from your settings. So what you will do is minimize this page, and go back to settings, and under our account you will find profile download, and click on install, and enter your Apple or iOS device password and click install. Trust. So for all the security reasons, it will be asking you some permissions. We need to accept it. Done. Okay, now I am minimizing all the apps. Let's go back to Gmail. Now the bottom one is my official ID. I am enabling and logging only through my official ID. All my other email IDs are disabled, logged out. Let's go to App Store. The next important app we are going to download is Google Classroom. Click on Google Classroom and download. Okay, now as we have already logged into our official ID, it will be asking you. Okay, click on get started and click on our official mail ID. Now my Google Classroom is getting started. we would like to give send you notification. Okay, we have to click on allow. So this is my Google Classroom. My Google Classroom appears in this way, and we can have three options: stream, classwork, and people. So this is how Google Classroom will be visible to us. Okay, now Google Classroom has been successfully installed in our Apple or iOS device. Okay, let's go. Let's minimize all other pages. Now again go back to App Store. Now we are installing the main important app is Google Meet. Okay, let's download Google Meet. Let's open it, and it will ask you to continue. Okay, anyhow we have logged into our official ID, so we have to click on continue and OK. It will ask you for permissions, we need to accept it, so click on OK. Again click on OK, and we have to click on our official ID. Now my Google Meet webcam has been enabled, so we can join meeting or we can create meeting. So whatever the teacher sends, the code or like a video link or Google Meet link, everything will be shown in the classroom. I'll show you where you will be getting those. So whenever we go to Google Classroom, when teacher sends some link, it will be appeared in this way, in this place. Thank you everyone, and if you still have any doubts regarding this, you can feel free to contact help desk.